Hey guys, Randy here from List Lion, and I could not be more excited to have an opportunity to speak to you today. Welcome to List Lion. I created List Lion so that struggling or new affiliate marketers could begin to see some success online. If you're someone that's purchased other programs, you've got caught up in shiny object syndrome, maybe you have been online for a while and seen some success but really want to take your business to the next level, List Lion is for you. Basically, I'm inviting you inside of a 3-day fast track challenge. And within that challenge, we're going to do several things. We are going to teach you about affiliate marketing. We're going to give you a product to promote. We're going to build an autoresponder because there is no single more important thing in your business than building your email list. It is the only asset that you will own. So we're going to create that for you, and we're going to put 100 leads on your email list to help you get started having an audience to market to. Okay, and we're going to do all of that inside of 3 days inside of the Fast Track Challenge. Now, I built this program to help you begin to see success online. It's unlike anything else that's out there. I promise you the value that you're going to find inside this program is unprecedented. Okay, we have an amazing Facebook group to support the program. They're there to help you. They're there to help each other grow. It's a community of like-minded individuals that are all looking to see the same success that you are. But I don't want you to take my word for any of it. Click the button down below and go to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you're going to find testimonials of people inside of this group that are having massive success, guys. You're going to see their screenshots of the income proof that they're having inside, the commissions that they are generating inside of this program, and the ability that they're having to grow their business and finally see success online. So click the button down below, go to the checkout page, check it out. Don't take my word for it, but once you do, I will see you on the inside of List Lion.